Hello everyone and welcome back to the Belgian Beer Brothers channel. Today we are gonna do something rather special, or something I'm not used to doing. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video. Why an unboxing? Well, because it's a special weekend. Ever since 1997, the Geuze breweries in Belgium opened their doors for one weekend, or actually one day, but now it's a weekend, every 2 years. So every other year a bunch of Geuze breweries open the doors for the public and we can go visit them. And for the people that aren't able to go visit those breweries, or just don't want to, but they want to taste the Geuze in the comfort of their own home, they brought out this box. Originally there were only 5 or 6 breweries that participated in the Toer de Geuze, but now there are 10, and for about 40 bucks, 35 or 40 bucks, you can buy this box with one bottle of every participating brewery and a limited glass. So yeah, let's see what they got in store for us. Okay, first off, I see a nice little booklet. Toer de Geuze at Home 2022 edition. And it's not a booklet, it's a leaflet. Aha, very nice. And this has some info on the breweries and the beers that we have here. Okay, I'm gonna keep this handy because it has some extra info that we could use in a second. And we also have some other leaflets here. What do we have? Yeah, it's a flyer for the Lambic month, which is October. And we can become a member of the Horal, which is the High Council. But I'm already a member of the Antwerp Beer College. So yeah, we're not doing this. But back to the box, back to the beer. Whew. Where to start? Let's see. Yeah, let's start closest to where I am. We have one Oude Geuze Tilquin. Yeah, it's a Geuze à l'ancienne. It's a 7% ABV, and this is a blend of 2020 and 2021. I see that this bottle has been horizontal for a while. A lot of sediment there. Okay. It might be worth mentioning that these are 10 bottles of 37.5 centiliter each. Next up, Timmermans, the world's oldest lambic brewery since 1702. This is also an Oude Geuze, Geuze à l'ancienne, brewed in 2018 and bottled in 2021. And this is a 6.7 ABV. Now it goes without saying that Geuze has a very long preservation time. Like the Tilquin is good to be kept according to the label to 2031. Timmermans says 2041, and yeah, we'll see some very long times on there. Next up, one of the big classics, one of my favorites as well, Oude Geuze Boon from the brewery Boon. Brew season 2018-2019. This also keeps until 2041 and is also a 7% ABV. I think I'll have to make some more room here. because we have a lot of bottles. Next, the Lambic Fabriek, the Oude Geuze or Old Geuze Bretel. Lambic Fabriek is a fairly new player in the Geuze brewing. I believe they were established somewhere around 2015, 16, yeah, 2016 as the label says. This is a very clear beer, and it's called Bretel because, well, Bretel is French for suspenders, and it's a wordplay on the Brettanomyces yeast, of course. As they say here, no bread, no glory. This is a nice 37.5 centiliter bottle as well, and a 6.3% ABV. Worth noticing that this is the only one, or the first one, with a standard bottle cap, but it is also corked, of course. The next one also has a bottle cap, but it's corked as well. This is the Oude Geuze Cuvée René by brewery Lindemans, and this is a 6%, rather light ABV. This keeps until 2027, which is rather short, but I'm pretty sure that yeah, you can keep it till 2041 as well. Cuvée René has let's say an extra story to it, but we will get to that when we're opening this up. Next up, another one with a standard bottle cap, Oude Geuze Cuvée by De Trog. De Trog is also a rather old brewery since 1796, not as old as Timmermans. And this is, I believe, the lightest in the pack, because this is a 5.5% ABV. Another one. Oh, this is one of the very first Geuze that I learned to appreciate, because, believe it or not, I used to hate Geuze because I didn't like the sour taste, and I thought sour was just sour. There was no difference in sourness or acidity. Boy, was I ignorant. This is a Hansen's artisanal Old Geuze. Hansen's also a very old brewery since 1896, so 100 years younger than De Trog. And what can I say about this? This is a 6% ABV as well. 3 more to go. Another classic, Oude Geuze Lambic Old Geuze, Geuze à l'ancienne by Mort Subite, sudden death in English. Mort Subite, best known for their Kriek. This is a 7% ABV and it keeps until 2030. Almost there. Aha. The Oude Geuze Dévier, or Geuze Dévier à l'ancienne. This is one that I actually never had before. This is 6.7% ABV. And I'm very keen to try this one out because it's one that I don't know yet. And last but absolutely not least, Oude Geuze, or Geuze Vieille, Geuze à l'ancienne by Oud Beersel, and this is one of my favorite Geuze breweries. We will be seeing this brewery again because I really love it, and I have some special beers from them in my cellar, so we'll be tasting them later on. This is a 6.5% ABV. And I can already spoil this for you guys. I absolutely love this one. There we go. Let me put this box aside, and we still have one little thingy in here. I need to take out some cardboard here, and this is a Toer de Geuze specialty glass. It's a very nice glass. It's a classic Geuze glass. You will see this shape of glass from the Geuze Boom as well. It's an Ayano glass. Yeah, well, we know Ayano as a well-respected and well-known glass maker. And one thing that catches my eye is not just the logo, but it has two measurements here. In Belgium we are it's obligated to have measurements on your glasses. And this one has the 25 and a 33 centiliter. Ironically, all these bottles are 37.5, but we will be drinking them, well, in two steps. Yeah, what can I tell you guys about this box? Nothing anymore. We just unboxed 10 lovely old Geuzes, and I will be tasting one of them each day for the next 10 days. I will be visiting 5 breweries on Saturday. Unfortunately, I don't have the possibility to vlog from there, otherwise I absolutely would have. I would have wanted you guys to share this experience with me. That does mean that I will not be tasting any of these on Saturday, and I'll have to work on Sunday. So I will be tasting one each day, except for this weekend, and I'll share my notes with you guys. I'm already looking forward to this. Alright, if you guys want to experience Toer de Geuze as well, just go out to any beer store, novelty beer shop, whatever, and get yourself a bunch of Geuze beers and have a tasting of your own. Do it this Saturday, do it this Sunday, and you will be joining us on the Toer de Geuze at home. That being said, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. If you want to see how this goes, if you want to compare notes, if you want to drink with me, or just are curious to what I have to say about these Geuzes, yeah, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you will be notified whenever these videos come online. Alright, cheers you guys.